Hello students, this is Subhan sir. Today we will proceed with the question number 2nd. First question as we have already done yesterday. So question number 2nd we are going to discuss. So second question is, give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? So we have to write equation. A coordinate is given to us. Okay, 2, 14 point is given to us, and we have to write how many more such lines are there and how many lines are passing through that point, that we are going to discuss in this question. So first of all, let me tell you, whenever a point is there are infinite number of lines which can pass through that point. Okay, but to express this point as a linear equation, we will study about how to make a linear equation with the help of the coordinate. Okay, so the coordinates are, first of all we'll write the given coordinates of the point is the given coordinates of the point is 2, 14. Okay, so the linear equations in two variable satisfied by the coordinates 2, 14 are, okay, two equations we need which will satisfy the value of these two coordinates. So first equation we can write as x plus y is equal to 16. Okay, so it is clear that the value of x is 2, y is 14. So when you put the values, you will get 2 plus 4, 14, and 2 plus 14 is 16. So this equation is satisfied here. So one equation we can make as x plus y is equal to 14. Okay, because this equation will be satisfied with the following coordinates. So in this way we can make one more equation. Okay, that is our first equation. So second equation we will write as 7x minus y is equal to 0. See how we have written the equation 7x minus y equal to 0. When we put the value of x, that is 2, y that is 14. So 7 multiplied with 2 minus 14 is equal to 7 to the 14, and 14 minus 14 is 0. So it is equal to 0. Okay, and thus we can say that the equation is satisfied by the coordinate 2, 14. So that will be the second equation in two variable, which will satisfied by the coordinates 2, 14. Now another sub question is there, that how many more such lines are there and why. So we will write there are, okay, all this linear equation in two variable represent a straight line. Okay, always remember this. So every equation has a every straight line has a particular linear equation in two variable. Okay, so so we have written equation for two lines, but in question we have to answer that how many such lines can pass through this coordinate, through this point 2, 14. So there are, we will write there are infinite, that means that the things which we cannot count. So there are infinite number of lines passing through the point 2,14. Okay, so in this way we can make linear equation in two variable based on the coordinates. Okay, now next question. Question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lie on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Okay, whenever a point lie on the graph, that means on a straight line, suppose a straight line is given to us and any point is situated on this straight line, then this point will definitely satisfy the equation of the straight line. Okay, suppose any line segment is there inside on a graph paper, then that particular coordinate will definitely satisfy the linear equation. Okay, so it is given in the question that this point is located on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7 and the coordinate is 3, 4. The point is 3, 4 whose coordinates are 3, 4. Now these coordinates are in the ordered pair of x, y. So definitely the value of x will be 3 and y will be 4, and this value we will substitute into the equation to find out the value of a. So first of all we will write the given linear equation in two variable is the given linear equation is the equation is 3y equal to ax plus 7. Okay, now since the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation three y equal to ax plus 7, therefore 3, 4 must satisfy the linear equation. Okay, so here we will put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in equation y equal to 4, x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay, so it will become 3 multiply y. So y is what? 4. So 3 multiply with 4 is equal to ax. A is constant that we need to find and x is 3. So a multiply by 3 and plus 7. A multiply by 3 plus 7. Now 3 multiply with 4 become 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. Now 7 will shift towards the left hand side and it will become negative. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 12 minus 7 will be equal to 5. So 3a is equal to 5 is equal to 3a, and therefore we can say that the value of a is equal to 5 divided by 3. So 5 upon 3. So this will be the required value of a. Okay, what we have done, we have written we have substituted the value of x and y into the equation 3y equal to x plus 7. Okay, in place of x we have substituted 3, in place of y we have substituted 4, and just we have solved the linear equation, and it will become 3 4s are 12 and 3a plus 7. 12 equal to 3a plus 7. 12 minus 7 will be equal to 3a, Okay, 7 will shift toward the left hand side, so 12 minus 7, that is 5. So 5 divided by 3 will be the value of A. So in this way you can solve all these questions and complete your copies as soon as possible and practice all these questions very well. Thank you.